Yesha yau na Mr. One Time Daddy na mitubla like story one time yubla. Igatim tripla place or pikini ken kisim school we emba wokimol kama pol gupla man na Mary na ol gupla citizen lo country. Number one place em house bed we papa na mama school to give him em important lotu lo morning na havinun give him ol gupla stia tok tok em number one. Number two em church. Oliglik pikini niye timi maskara mo golo church. Any reason where I'm walking me lo ting o semol pikini by stop laws mas no can whether all sabego play or all no concentrate them no important thing all mas sabego semol golo church. So all by line him sample gupla something time as all grow. Number three school straight. So in order lo kama po good school pikini ni good citizen na workman married di sebelah country almost first kisim good school time staff liglik la house bed na number 2 church in order lo kama bol good pikin ini time all go lo school na kama bol good workman na married na good citizen lo country bla. Thank you.